Hello y'all, welcome to the second episode of the Portal0 Engineering. This week, we're going to be talking about sticker technology. We're going to be teaching you how to create your very own customized Beyblade stickers. Now let's get to it. First, you'll need to prepare a pack of printable sticker sheets. You can find them online or in most craft stores. Next, you'll need a printer with scan function. And grab your original Dranzer sticker, place it in the scanner, and operate the scan from your computer. We start by opening Photoshop on your computer and drag your scan in. Starting with adjusting your scan, make sure that it is in the upright position and it is the proportion you wanted. And you can lock it in place once you're done, so it doesn't interfere with all your other actions. Next, we create a new layer. This layer is for changing the 4 red wings of the Dranzer. Make sure you select the correct tool at the upper left-hand corner. We recommend zooming into the object as much as possible so you can have an accurate trace of the object. If you're seeing the object you're tracing became a solid color instead of lines, go to the upper right-hand corner and click on the reverse arrow. Once you have finished tracing the entire object, go to the right-hand side and click on Open Swatch Library, and you will see a list of materials that you can add onto the object. Once you have chosen the color you wanted, if it is a shiny surface, you can click on this tool on the left that lets you decide the sheen of the color. Next, we move on to this green arrow of the Dranzer. Once you're done tracing, you can change the color of the object temporarily in order to move the diamond up, so you will have a better idea of where to cut later. Go to the drop-down at the top and find Pathfinder. select the black diamond and click on this icon in the Pathfinder. Next, you choose the color that you want to fill this triangle. Next, we want to duplicate this object correctly, since the other triangle is also identical. Right-click and choose Transform, and hit Reflect. Choose Horizontal, and you will see your object being duplicated. And you do the same for all of the other wings. And next, click on the eye icon of the lower right-hand corner to make the color that you selected temporarily invisible as we move on to the white decoration part of the Dranzer. When you are tracing an object, make sure you zoom in on it as much as possible. You can also adjust the thickness of the strokes at the right-hand corner. Once you're done tracing, click on the reverse button at the upper right-hand corner, and you will see your object turn white. Once you're done tracing, go to Layers at the lower right-hand corner to make sure everything is unlocked and invisible. And now, we want to cut out the center of the words like D, R, and A. You can circle them and change their color. Once you're done, make everything visible again. You can make small adjustments to the words to make it look like the original sticker. And you go to Pathfinder and click on this icon to create the carve-out. Lastly, select everything that you have traced and duplicate them. As you have noticed, the words on the right side is a mirror image, so you might want to select the object and rotate them. Once you're done, make the colors visible again, and make the scan invisible. Now, let's select everything and duplicate them. Remember to make some small adjustments as you go. Lastly, turn the eye icon back on at the lower right hand corner and you will see your creation will once again appear. Export them into a PNG file and you are ready to go. Now let's start cutting. Make sure you choose a tool that you're comfortable with. And the key to a nice and accurate cut is to make sure the direction of the cut is towards you. So it is very important for you to turn the paper as you go. We recommend starting with the practice round. Make sure you pace yourself and don't use too much force while cutting. You'll get a much more accurate cut. Once you're done, you can remove one of the stickers carefully and see how you did. If it looks good, let's move on to the main part of the game. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys next week.